Okay, first of all, I want to thank the media for coming here on a very short notice. Thank you very, very much for coming here. We had some very important information that we had to give out, not just to the media, but to the citizens of this country, to avoid any inconvenience, of course. We want to also thank the media once again for showing the true story. They have projected the true story of this airline, the state of affairs in this airline. Of course, we'll do a question answer round after this. And before that, now I wanted very importantly to let everybody here in the country, also my fellow colleagues here in the ICPA, let everybody know the support coming in for us. This is heading towards a national movement. We are getting support from all quarters. It is coming rapidly. We expect a lot of people from a lot of other organizations, associations primarily, in this airline also, coming and joining us today and showing us their solidarity. I think there will be a lot of people coming into this office today in due course of time. So that is one good news. We have the association from the Air Traffic Controller, that's the ATC's Guild. The association is called the ATCG. They have just sent us a letter stating, "Dear Captain, we wholeheartedly support your cause and are with you in this hour of crisis. We would be glad to be of any assistance whatsoever. We wish you all the success in your endeavor, assuring you of our best cooperation always." This is from the ATCGI. So that is one support we have. The second letter of support we've got, the second support on the phone that we've received is from the AROFA Association, the AROFOOA Association, that is the Dispatchers Association in our country. We've just received a message from there saying that we are wholeheartedly supporting you in your cause, and we express solidarity with the ICPA as they are fighting for a right cause. General Secretary of AROFA. We've got support from our brothers in the aviation industry, our pilots, our colleagues, our people who do the same job that we do. SWIP is the association in Jet Airways. The representatives of Jet Airways were here yesterday. They are also with us morally. They also want to stand by us and show their solidarity. They also want to write us a letter. They have come here in person and shown their solidarity. They are, I think, working towards a letter as well, and any other support that they intend giving us. The IPG, which is our sister concern, the Indian Pilots Guild, has already shot us a letter. I will read it out for you. It comes from the IPG. This came in yesterday, late in the evening, when the IPG Association people were here, the office bearers of the IPG were here, and it reads, "To the General Secretary ICPA, Sir, in this hour of need, IPG stands by fellow pilots of ICPA. For the last 2 years, again, very critical last 2 years, the company has been virtually in a permanent state of industrial unrest. This period of 2 years has also seen 3 major strikes, thus highlighting the total and complete breakdown of Air India management's ability to manage. Hence, the functioning of Air India management should also come under the scanner." So it is the same story on both sides. All the representatives want the exact same thing. We want there to be inquiries. We want to save this airline. We want a turnaround of this airline, and we need answers, and we need them now. The IPG also added that they strongly condemn the de-recognition of ICPA and termination of pilots, and extends full moral support to the ICPA. So we want to thank the IPG, we want to thank the SWIP, we want to thank AROFA, and we want to thank ATCG for their unconditional support. We appreciate it. Thank you very much. We use this source as media, as the medium through media, to thank you for all your efforts, and so many other associations and people in touch with us who want to come here and stand up in their fight against corruption. We thank you all. We want the citizens of India also to raise this question and ask this management and the government, what went wrong with Air India? And the most important news, there were some rumors floating around yesterday, the executive pilots are joining us or not. We have 165 executive pilots. Over 150 are now not available for flying. So this press briefing was in the prime interest once again of the passengers to avoid flying Air India, especially former erstwhile Indian Airlines network, because it is us who is primarily on strike. We don't know the intentions of the IPG at the moment. They may or may not join us in any form of agitation, but on behalf of Air India and the employees, I once again, with my hands folded, apologize for all the inconvenience, but once again we were left with no other option. We want to save your money as the passengers and taxpayers of this country. The job has to be done.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.